Just like that. Welcome back to another video, people. You don't know, it's your boy Nigel here. Jano people, so today we're gonna do some cooking. You see me? Last night me and Papi got seaside. We went to the seaside to catch some fish, and we catch some good amount of fish. So if you guys don't see that video, it's there somewhere up here on the screen, so you need to go check it out. Alright? So today me I gonna do some steamed fish with some okra and some crackers. Yeah, you know, hear me right. Yes, some strong back food right now. You see me? So I want to stay tuned. I want to watch the video. Alright? And I could go steam some fish. That is it. Alright, so come in. I use the washing machine as a table today. So we have some okra. We have some okra we're going to use. Some steamed fish. If you have steamed fish and you don't have okra and a steamed fish. Alright? We have a good old cock soup. Or soup mix. You see me? Yeah. We have some carrot we're going to use. We have some pimento seed. Yeah. We have some Irish, and we have some red onion and some white onion. We can't forget the good old Scotch bonnet pepper, and we're going to use some bell pepper. We're going to use red, yellow and green. And you don't know, say we have a Maggi season. We are using a chicken season for fish today, and the all-purpose, the best season. We have some butter, no joke. And you don't know, so we have a good old water crackers. Yeah, man. And yeah, think of that. No, we are left out the main ingredients. The fish them. Them now wash or anything as yet, so me I go wash them. See them there? Some nice size fish. Right? So them here we are working with today. But here what we are gonna do before we start. Prepare any of them here, we're gonna catch a fire first, so the fire can go and blaze up. You see me? So come we go catch a fire, and then we come back and wash up them here and then cut them up. Alright? Let's do it. So there I catch a fire, people. We're here catching the fire now. So the fire blaze. It's coming on. We call this the coal stove. Yeah. We have a next one that we call wood fire. Our Jamaican would say stick fire. So yeah, we just finished catching fire, as you can see. So here what we are gonna do here now, we are gonna get we season them prep, cut up with okra, wash them and cut up our seasoning and get the fish ready till the fire. Meanwhile the fire they're getting ready as well. Alright, so let's go wash up and cut up with vegetable them. Alright, come in. Alright, so we have an okra, we have a carrot, we have a bell pepper, so we're gonna wash these off. Next rinse off. Just like that. Bring them over to a washing machine table, and then we're gonna cut them up. Here with them, washing machine table. Get in the bell pepper, them cut up. You can just use one color bell pepper if you wish, but if you don't know, so we are Jamaican, we love things colorful. When I grew up, I never have cutting board, you know. So we normally cut our seasoning in our hand. The real way. Nowadays we start use cutting board. Alright, so we have okra. So we are cut off them part here. The tip. And then dice it the way you feel like. You can dice it round. You can dice it side. We're going with the red onion or purple onion. Right? So we're gonna get the rest of them cut up, so now stay tuned. Alright, we're going with some carrot. You can try dice the carrot them as fine as possible. Thin, not fine, as thin as possible. Just like that. So them here, the onion and the bell pepper, them their last go in the pot. Right? We're gonna put in the okra and the carrot and the Irish in first, alright? So now we're gonna deal with the fish. Let's go deal with the fish. Also remember, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Alright people, because we have a lot of content coming to you like every day. Alright, so now want to stay up to date, remember subscribe, turn on post notification bell, so every time I drop a video you will get them first. Alright, so we're gonna deal with the fish them here now. Alright, come in. Right, so we have the fish them here. We catch them here now. Papi said I want here a dog tail snapper. First, I catch that one here. Just a check if now. Just a check if now more scale, cause as we catch them before we leave, we scale them off. I'm just give them a roughly check again, see if nothing upon them, alright? That one here a grunt. I catch that one here before. That my first fish me ever catch a grunt. From the start do fishing. Alright. So we're gonna wash them off with some vinegar here now. And I could chew off the water. So we have a vinegar here. Yeah. I don't know what's the fish raw. Say vinegar. Get rid of that. Not everything, but most of it. Fire go on with the steam. Alright. Rinse them off one more time. Alright, so this is what we're going to do to fish them now. Put a slice in it. Just like that. Alright. I got season it up here now. Good old seasoning them. Going with some all-purpose. Rub your seasoning in. But you can also just use the all-purpose seasoning alone, if you don't feel to use the chicken. You get me? Just like that. You decide how much seasoning you want to put on it. So now we just rub them here. But when you rub them, be careful. Gotta bone them. Right. So them there. I'm not done here now. So what we're gonna do, we put on the pot on the fire. Alright, I put on with Dutch pot here now. Just like that. Alright, so we're gonna make that go on hot. So go and stay tuned. Also while the pot go on hotting, so we can also hotting. Alright, so while the pot is there on the fire, I just wanna say if you guys would love to see me collab with any YouTuber, big or small, you let me know. I'ma try to eat them up and do a collab, alright? So you let me know who you would want me to do a video with. No matter the size, you could have 0 subscribers. Cause I'm a young YouTuber as well, alright? So you let me know and we try get it done. Alright? So go check in on the pot here now and see if it's hot and put in with butter, because we're not using no oil, we're going to use butter instead of cooking oil. Alright, so let's get it on. So the pot hot, so we are going with some butter. Oh, it's not fully hot still. That way it is. Yeah. Some natural food, you see it? Alright, what we are going to do now, we are going with the seasoning them. Just like that. Right, so while we put in with Irish with carrot and with okra, all the okra shouldn't go in as yet, you know. Should I put in the okra last, so but the carrot and the Irish are the most, it takes longer to cook. But I shouldn't go in with the okra as yet. I start putting the okra last, but that's how it go. Right, so what we are going to do now, we are just cover it down and let it spring water and go on steam. Alright? Alright. So it's spring water. Just like that. So we are cover it back down. So next time we come back, we are adding the fish and the rest of the seasoning. Alright? So now go and lock in. The rest of the seasoning in it. Just like that. Then, drop in the fish them in it, you see me? Just like that. Look, my man, look on that. That don't look good. Alright, so what we are gonna do here now, we have a cock noodle, aka rooster noodle. So we are gonna do, we are gonna sieve it. So we just want the seasoning, we don't want them noodle. Just like that. Sieve it off. Alright, like that. And we're gonna add some water upon it. Add some water to it, and then we're gonna go some bun, you know. Like that. Then cover it up. Alright, so we're gonna put a couple more okra in it. Just like that. So we're gonna lock it back down, you know, and then about 5 minutes we'll come back and add in the crackers. Alright, so we're gonna check in on it, you know. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the crackers, you know. Yeah, man, so strong back. Alright, so we're gonna do now, we're gonna cover it up back. So when we check in back on it, eating time, alright? Now go and lock it. Alright, so we're done here now, so we're gonna take off the pot off the fire. Pot look nice, so here we'll go take off the pot and start eat some food because I'm hungry, right, you know. Alright, let's do it. Looking at the pot. Look there. Alright, so we're gonna take it off. So let's do it. in a pot. Right? Grab a plate. Watch it. Creep us in my crackers. Watch that. Just like that. Food look good. Right. Cover that back up. Make a dig in my one now. Make a see how it tastes, alright? Alright, see it. First, me I do steam fish and first me I cook it. Never cook it before. So I go on. Sample the fish. That tail snapper. Look at that. Good old water crackers. If you're in a restaurant, man, it's hot. So you will go on. I'm gonna share it some more because this can't hold me. So if anything, me catch you guys in our next video. Thank you guys for staying and watch till I prepare this simple meal. Some steamed fish, some strong back. Fish that I catch, alright? So see you in our next video. Outside.